Looking forward to. When we are expectantly waiting for something, we use the phrase looking forward to. But many people use this incorrectly. Suppose you are eagerly waiting to know the decision your fiancé is going to take. Keeping this in mind, how would you fill in the following blank? Looking forward to dash your decision. Many people would say, looking forward to know your decision. It is wrong. It should be looking forward to knowing your decision. It may sound like wrong English, but it is not. Looking forward to know your decision is wrong English. Anyway, your fiancé responses and she writes, I will meet you at the earliest. And she concludes, looking forward to dash you soon. It's not looking forward to meet you soon. It is looking forward to meeting you soon. This is the rule, not only with looking forward to, but also with look forward to. I look forward to meeting you soon. Just one more example. Suppose you are discussing about where you will spend your holidays. And you are saying, I look forward to dash my holidays with my grandparents. How would you fill in the blank? I look forward to not spend, but spending the vacation or the holidays with my grandparents. So what did we learn today? Always use the ing form of the verb after looking forward to or look forward to. So here is the homework for you. Fill in the blanks appropriately using visit, play and travel. We look forward to dash cricket with you this weekend. I am looking forward to dash to Singapore next month. Looking forward to dash your hometown soon. I am looking forward to seeing your answers in the comment section. Take care. Bye-bye.